I got X15 open here, and see, I've been playing around with this to preparatory to creating a video. I'm going to show you some things about how you can put some control into roof planes. I'm going to go back to plan view. There we go. Let's do, a box, and well, let me just start over. Delete the roof planes. And I'm just using a 9-foot ceiling height. I've got mine set to 5. And this is pretty simple, so I'm just going to draw it manually. With this icon here active, I'm going to it'll snap to the outside edge. Left click drag, and there's the roof plane. Left click drag, and drag. I can use the join roof tool and join the ridge. Click on that, give it -6. It's an overhang. Yeah. Okay, I'm already back where I was, except now the overhang should be equal. There's no overhangs. Okay, so I'm going to go to the roof dialog box, press the shift key, and get both of the roof planes selected. Open them, go to options, and tell it to have a box eave. And the default condition is default to overhang, which I'm sure you're all familiar with. Okay. That's the default condition. Now, what you can do, open these roof planes again and go to the dialog box for both options again. I'm going to say, stop that and tell it exactly how much I want. Now, the overhang's 12 inches. I'm going to make it 10 inches. The box part of the eave, 10 inches. So here's your main control that you're looking for. Some of these others, I rarely ever use it. In a practice session, you can figure out what they do and what they're for. And that's kind of the point of what I'm showing you. Now, there's a space here because I ordered it. Let me click on that one, press the shift key, click on this one, and then open them. I'm going to go over to the options tab, and we'll make it 2 inches. Let's show it. See, now reduce that to just 2 inches, because I told it to. I've still got the group select. Go back over to options. Let's see if we go over the overhang. I don't know what would happen. So 18. I don't know what it did. Something goofy because it's a goofy set. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Now I'm going to go back to the original position. Default overhang. Now you may have noticed the gutters are on. Those are on by default. And I put this in my template plan, drip cap, so 1x2 in my template plan. But you don't have to stay settled with that if you don't want. You just go over, and ideally you want to make these sort of changes in the default settings so you don't have to change these manually like this. But I'm just showing you that you're not hand tied just to what the software does based on its presets. Okay, so there's a gutter tab, and it just deletes the gutter. And then see here, the shadow. Yeah, they call it. I call it a drip cap. They call it a shadow board. Let me get rid of that shadow board. Yeah. See, now it's just plain, and this is default to overhang. So I hope this helps you guys. But you can learn a lot by teaching yourself to open a dialog box like this and take a look at all these settings, and then take up as a practice session, demonstrate to yourself what they do. So if you're up against a wall and you need to know how to do something, you'll get a precursor of knowledge by just, if you in practice sessions, just go through these tabs and say, well, what does that mean? Would I ever need to know that? You know, and practice is when you're not working, so that when you're working, your competence is up, and you just create. You're not learning a software every minute of the day. Spend a few minutes a day learning a software each day, 10, 15 minutes, and looking up things here you don't understand, because you probably will need to understand them, 5 years from now. And if you never look and train yourself, you'll never get there. Okay? I hope this helps you guys, and I'm out of here. Bye.